Hello everyone, this is your Subramani. So today we are going to see on certified Jenkins engineer. So many will be thinking like, is there any specific certification for Jenkins? Because everyone knows like Jenkins is one of the most famous and the most valuable tool across all the companies that are using DevOps, because Jenkins is being used as one of the primary CI/CD tool, and the most important reason is like it's open source, and it is very easy to integrate with other tools and technologies, and it supports any languages and any codings. So, what it takes to get a Jenkins certificate, and how valuable are you if you're a Jenkins certified engineer? Come, let's see about it. So, if you wanted to know how to attain this Jenkins certification, so go to Google and then type Jenkins Certified Engineer, and the first link is a CloudBees link. When you click on it, it gives you an option to get certified on Jenkins. So if you see here, there are two certification paths. One is Certified Jenkins Engineer, another one is Certified Cloud-based Jenkins Engineer. The difference between these two is the Certified Jenkins Engineer is an open source one, and the cloud-based certified Jenkins engineer is an enterprise one. So depending upon your company's usage and other things, you can very well go with any of the two certifications path, but both underlying concept is the same. One is an enterprise certified, another one is a free source certified. So what are the things that is covering on the Jenkins certified engineer? So there is two specific guides available. So if I click on the Jenkins certified engineer and the cloud-based Jenkins certified engineer, I can see two different things. This is being sponsored by Cloud-based University. Cloud-based is again the Jenkins Enterprise solution. So this is Certified Jenkins Engineer 2018, and this is an exam guide. So if you see here, the main concept that is being covered is the CI/CD of Jenkins and the Jenkins usages, features, functionalities, and building a CD pipelines, and the continuous delivery as a best code practices. And here they have given some sample questions as well. So if you see in the Jenkins engineer exam, you will be getting questions like this, so which is a multiple choice questions. So depending upon your usages, you can try to stick to whichever certification you want. And this is about cloud-based certified Jenkins engineer. And if you see, as I told, this also has the same concepts: key CI/CD Jenkins concept, Jenkins usage, continuous delivery pipelines, continuous delivery as a best code practices, and cloud-based Jenkins platform. And here they are given this as an extra because this is going to be your enterprise one. So as an enterprise one, you need to know about how to give a role-based access control and what it can be useful for an enterprise. And the last, again, they are given some sample questions. And what is the extra things that is covered over here? So how much is this exam? So all these question answers can be found out in the FAQs. If you see, the exam amount is around $150. So it is quite cheap compared to the other certifications available in the market, and the passing score for this exam is 66%. And this certification is lifelong. You don't need to write the exam again and again. So if you see here, after writing this exam, you will be getting a logo of Certified Jenkins Engineer like this. So if you put this in your resume, it is much appreciable and much valuable, because no people around will be certified in specific Jenkins or in specific tools. There will be a generalized DevOps certification or a generalized cloud certifications, but on the tool specific one, if you are making your certification, then that creates much more impact. So I would strongly suggest you to be one among the thousands and millions of people who is going to apply for a DevOps engineer job. And the certificate that you will be getting is something like this. So this is on the 2016 certified engineer, and this is on the 2017 certified engineer. So you can have this certificate as well as this logo on your resume. And now what comes your next question: how to find or how to read this? So this Certified Jenkins Engineer course is available in Linux Academy only, as far as I've seen. In Udemy I have checked, it's not there, and in other websites it's not given. So I would strongly recommend you to create an account in Linux Academy, and they are giving actually 7 days unlimited free trial access. So you can log in, and if you are not interested, you can withdraw your subscription. So this Certified Jenkins Engineer is having a full syllabus, so it is a 14-hour long course, and they are having 38 videos and 11 downloads, and they have their own labs where you can install Jenkins and you can practice the CI/CD pipelines. And the course contents is given over here, the same thing which matches the Jenkins guide which is being given over here, which is like the materials is the CI/CD concepts and the features, functionalities, and CD pipelines. So here they are given the CI/CD concepts and the features and functionalities, and the hands-on labs. There are given so many things, and building a CD pipelines and CD as a code, and they have given a final exam also over here. And again they have 1.5 hours of practice Jenkins exam engineer, and if you are passing this, then it would be very much helpful for you to write your main exam. So guys, I would strongly suggest you to have a look into this certification, because this is a very valuable certification across all the areas. And if you are tool specified, or if you have worked on Jenkins for quite some time now, then I would recommend you to become a certified on that area, so that it would be very much helpful for your future careers and everything. And now if you wanted to download this Jenkins and install on your local machine, then you can go to jenkins.io /downloads, and this is an official site of Jenkins, and here you can go to your download. So it has two versions, one is long-term support, another one is weekly support. So depending upon your OS, you can click on any of the tools. So if I am going to use Windows, then I can click on Windows, and it is going to download over here a zip file of 120 MB. You can just install it by, as usual, any other software installations, by clicking next and finish. And after installation, you can open your local host 8080. By default, Jenkins has a port number of 8080, and if any other applications like Tomcat or any other is been already installed on your machine, you can change the port number of Jenkins by going into jenkins.xml file, and you can change the port number to 9000 or 9090 depending upon your port availability, and then the Jenkins will be opened accordingly. Then you can practice very well on these concepts of Jenkins CI/CD or pipelines or RBAC or plugins or whatever it is. So thank you guys for listening to this, and if you wanted me to provide any other videos or on any other certifications, please do let me know on the comments, and don't forget to subscribe my video.